Good morning, students. Today we will start with a new chapter number 12, that is geometrical shapes. As we all are aware that we are having a lot many shapes in our surrounding, like square, triangles, rectangles, pyramids. So many shapes are there in our day-to-day life. Some of the shapes we will learn and discuss today. So first of all, we are having some of the shapes here. You just see what all are these. This is just like a pyramid. And if we will cut it from top, then it will become square pyramid. Here it is a cube. Here it is a cone. This is pentagon pyramid. And this is hexagon pyramid. So many shapes are there in this chapter. Today we will learn what are polygons. The definitions which are marked here with a tick right and ended with a bracket here. You have to write down these definitions in the classwork copy. The definitions which are marked with a tick right, these definitions are ended by a square bracket. These definitions you have to write down in your classwork copy. So here we will learn about polygons. What are polygons? Polygons are simple closed figure which are made up of more than 2 line segments. ऐसा कोई सा भी फिगर जो 2 से ज्यादा लाइन सेगमेंट से बना हुआ होता है उसे हम पॉलीगॉन कहते हैं. All these pictures are polygon. ये 2 से ज्यादा 3 लाइन से बना है, ये ट्राइंगल है. ये 5 लाइन से बना है, ये पेंटागन है. This is made up of 4 line segments and 2 opposite line segments are equal. So it is a rectangle. This is a quadrilateral. So all those pictures which are made up of more than 2 line segments are called as polygons. So this definition you have to write in your classwork copy. Next is triangle. What is a triangle? Triangle is also a simple closed plane figure which is made up of 3 line segments. जो भी 3 line segment से बना हुआ है उसे हम triangle कहते हैं. Write down this definition in your classwork copy. And triangle is having 3 line segments named as AB, BC and AC. 3 line segment से बना हुआ है ये. It has 3 vertices. Vertices means corners. Corner A, corner B and corner C. So this is having 3 vertices. And it has 3 angles also. Angles means where the 2 line segments meet with each other. यहाँ AB और BC दोनों इस पे मिल रही हैं. तो यहाँ बन गया angle B. Here also we can make an angle A because इस पर भी BA और AC मिल रही है. जहां भी 2 लाइन सेगमेंट्स मिलती हैं तो वहां एक एंगल क्रिएट होता है. This is known as angle A. This is known as angle C. So triangle is having 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. Now these are some of the questions which you have to do in book. Here some pictures are given to you and you have to find out which one is triangle. So we can see only these 2 are triangle. Rest of the picture are open picture and this picture is a circle. So जो भी 3 line segment का closed figure है that is known as a triangle. Now moving to the next question. Here a figure is given. We have to find out its sides. So it is a triangle and 3 sides it is having LM, MN and NL. तो इसकी 3 sides हैं. Angles कौन कौन से हैं? Angle L, angle M and angle N. 3 angles हैं. Vertices means corners. Corner L, M and N. 3 ही इसके corner हैं. And what do you name it? इस ट्राइंगल का नाम क्या है? ट्राइंगल LMN. This is the sign of angle. And this is L. So don't get confused. This is a sign of angle. It is not L. It is sign of angle. Now we will classify triangles on the base of its side as well as angles. We have three types of triangle on the basis of its angles. Angles के बेस पर तीन तरह के triangle हैं. Where all the three angles are equal, or we can say where three angles are less than 90 degree. That is known as acute angled triangle. जब एक ट्राइंगल के तीनों एंगल्स 90 डिग्री से छोटे होते हैं तो उसको हम कहेंगे एक्यूट एंगल्ड ट्राइंगल. और इन्हीं तीनों में से यदि कोई एक एंगल 90 डिग्री का होता है, दैट इज नोन एज राइट एंगल्ड ट्राइंगल. और वी विल से दैट इफ वन ऑफ द एंगल इज मोर देन 90 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री से एक एंगल कोई बड़ा है, then it is known as obtuse angled triangle. So we do have three types of triangle on the basis of their angles. First one is acute angle triangle, where all the three angles are less than 90. Right angled triangle, where one of the angle is 90 degree. And obtuse angled triangle, where one angle is more than 90 degree. All these three definitions you have to write with these three figures. इन सभी को आप टेबुलर फॉर्म में अपनी क्लास वर्क कॉपी में नोट डाउन करेंगे. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ट्राइंगल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इट्स साइड. जब ट्राइंगल की तीनों साइड्स बराबर हैं, देन इट इज नोन एज इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. और जब दो साइड्स बराबर हैं, तीसरी डिफरेंट है, ये डिफरेंट है और ये बराबर है, तो इसे कहेंगे आइसोस्केलस. और जब तीनों ही अलग हैं तो ये कहलाएगा स्केलन ट्राइंगल. ऑल दीज टू टेबल्स यू हैव टू मेंशन इन योर क्लास वर्क कॉपी एंड ऑल दीज क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू डू इन ज्योमेट्री कॉपी. ये पूरा चैप्टर आप ज्योमेट्री कॉपी में ही करेंगे. दीज टू टेबल्स ऑल्सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इन ज्योमेट्री कॉपी. दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू डू इन योर बुक ओनली. Don't do this in copy. All the definitions also in geometry copy. Now exercise 12a. Here some angles, here some sides of a triangle is given to you. You have to name its triangle. Here we can see three sides are given and all three sides are different. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter. तो जब तीनों साइड अनइक्वल है, दैट इज नोन एज स्केलन ट्राइंगल. अभी हमने पीछे पढ़ा है व्हाट इज स्केलन. व्हेन ऑल थ्री साइड्स आर इक्वल, दैट इज नोन एज इक्विलेटरल. वेयर टू साइड्स आर इक्वल, थर्ड इज डिफरेंट, देन इट इज आइसोस्केलस. हियर ऑल्सो टू साइड्स इक्वल, थर्ड साइड डिफरेंट, देन इट इज आइसोस्केलस. नाउ मूव टूवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Here we can see a picture is given of a triangle. All three measurements are unequal, so it is scalene triangle. Here all three sides are equal. This is equilateral. Here we can see two sides equal, third one is unequal, then this is isosceles. Here we can see some triangles are given to you with measurement of angles. All these three angles are less than 90 degree. So this is acute angled triangle. Here out of three, one is 90 degrees, so it is right angled triangle. Here out of three angle, one is more than 90, so it is obtuse angled triangle. Here measurement is given 90 degree, 65 and 25. So one angle is of 90 degree, so it is right angled triangle. Here it is 110, more than 90. So it is obtuse angled triangle. And here we can see all three angles are less than 90. So this is acute angled triangle. That's it for today. All these questions you have to do in your geometry copy. All the best. Goodbye.